Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video I'm going to show you how you get Wi-Fi working within your virtual machine, the Debian virtual machine, and this is how you could get Wi-Fi working if you had it installed to your actual machine. There's a little bit extra for the virtual machine part of it because you have to share your Wi-Fi down from your host down to your actual PC, to your virtual machine. So let's start off. I've got my virtual machine open and you'll see I've got my sound icon that I've put in the last video, so audio is now working on this machine. What we haven't got is any network applet. Now the virtual machine will be using the network from your host machine, so it will act like a wired connection, but you might want to fiddle with the Wi-Fi settings. The next thing I'm going to do is going to open a terminal. And the software we're going to use is the GNOME Network Manager applet. So to install that, we're going to clear the screen, make sure it's clear. We're going to sudo update to make sure we've got the latest packages. And you can see all my browsers that are coming through that I installed in a previous video, where I showed how to install most popular browsers. You can see I'm getting these warnings. That's because I've got that's because I've got Opera and Vivaldi installed, but it works. So sudo apt install. So I'm going to clear the screen first. Sudo apt install network manager GNOME. You see that's 53 megabytes of space that's going to be used by this. So I'm going to clear the screen, and what we can do to test this is type nm-applet and then the ampersand symbol. So when I click down here, you will see that I've got nothing available. Now to get Wi-Fi working on your virtual machine, you are going to need to use a Wi-Fi dongle, because the Wi-Fi that's built into your machine cannot be shared down from the host to the virtual machine, as far as I know. So I'm going to show you what I'm using, or something similar to what I'm using. We'll use Amazon, but I'm not being paid to show this. It's just an example to show you the sort of thing you're looking for. And you're looking for something a little bit like this Amazon choice here. It's £7.49. Obviously, if you're not using a virtual machine and you're using your actual machine to install Debian and follow this course, then you don't need to buy one of these at all. You should be able to use the internal Wi-Fi built into your PC, as long as it has Wi-Fi built in. So this is only if you want to use it on a virtual machine. So as you can see, if I click down here, I've got no network, but if I plug in my Wi-Fi dongle, so in here I'm going to do ps cf create nm applet, and then I'm going to kill the nm applet task, so that does that, and then I can run nm applet again. And you can see my available networks are available. So that's using the Wi-Fi dongle. So obviously that nm applet is going to disappear the next time we reboot. So there's a command you can add to IWM to make sure it it loads on reboot. So we're going to do that now. So what we want to do is echo, and we're going to type nm applet ampersand. We've done this before to get the audio icon, so it's this very similar command. Add a pipe symbol. I'm going to do T-A to append, and then we're going to, it's the tilde symbol, .IWM Startup, and we're going to make sure that that startup is active. So going to see the IWM, and you can see my one is, because it's a different color, but if yours is still white because you didn't follow in for the audio session, and this is the first time you created the startup file, then all you need to do is chmod +x startup. and that would make the script active. And now all you have to do is sudo reboot now. And you can see the network upload now appears in this bottom right corner, and every time I click on it, it is available, and I can switch to a different Wi-Fi network. And that's the end of this video, really. It's a short one. It's just about getting the Wi-Fi working, and that's how you get it working on bare bones metal. Obviously you don't need a Wi-Fi dongle, you just need Wi-Fi built in, but Wi-Fi dongles work as well. And that's the end of the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Everyday Linux User.